Hi, our poem for the week is called Favorite Special Places. We're reading this poem today and the rest of the week to gain fluency, which means to be able to read correctly and at a good pace. So today we are going to read the story where I read it and then you read it. All right, let's get started. Favorite Special Places. Now you read it. Favorite places are so special. They're familiar too. Favorite places make us smile. There's so much we can do. A place can make a great impression. A treasure, oh so true. That's why we're always going to go there. What fun for me and you. I hope you enjoyed our poem this week. Bye.